In this video, let me show you how to fix Discord mic not working. So if you're having this issue within the desktop application on your phone, this could be happening due to the permissions not being allowed. So simply tap and hold the application of Discord, head over to the eye icon. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to the settings page where the permission option is available, and you simply need to head over to microphone and make sure that it is set to allow. If this was not set to allow, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Secondly, if this is not the case for you, this could likely be happening due to app cache, so app glitches. So in this situation, what you can do is from the same settings page, head over to storage and cache, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache being displayed. You can simply tap on this option. Now, even after trying both of these solutions, you're still having this issue, then what you can try out is just reinstall the application of Discord onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.